Hi guys, I am Shahzad and welcome in this video. Today we're gonna discuss about the concatenations. Let's suppose you have a string and you are using a particular variable with the string. So how can you do that? Make sure we always define our string in a single quotations or the double quotations. And if you are echoing or output, if you want to show the string and also the variables as the output, you definitely use the echo, boredom or the print R. So let's get started. Okay guys, if you talk about the constants, then what are the constants? Make sure constants are the values. Like if you define the variables, constants are the same things. But once you define the constants, you never change that particular constants. Let's suppose if you have the pi value, you know very well that you never change the pi value. Or if you're saying that you have the email, like I'm saying this is the email. I'm saying email, my email at gmail.com. And now you're saying this is the email and you are using the same email to your entire project. You never change this email. So you have to define this email in your constants. So how can you define the constants? You have to use the define. It takes two parameters for now. One is the constant's name, second is the value. Let's suppose I'm saying email. So you have to use the capital letters. So I'm saying this is the email. You can pass this variable here, or you can simply use the email here. Now, how can you access this email? You can always access this email by using this one, email. Go to the page, refresh the page. As you can see, it's giving you the email. So this is the value. You can also use the array here, integer, floating data types, or any kind of data types. So if you are saying that the value is 10, so as you can see, it's saying integer, but make sure this is the constants. Once you define the constants, you never change the constants. Okay, so let's talk about the concatenations. Let's suppose you have this string. As you can see, this is a string data type. And now you also have the password. Let's suppose password. I'm saying the password is 10, which is the integer value. So how can you concatenate the string with the password? I'm saying you can concatenate this email, sorry, email dot, you have to use the dot to concatenate email with the password. So definitely it will show you the email, and after that the 10. Go to the page, refresh the page. As you can see, it's saying email and also the 10. In this way, you can concatenate two values. Let's suppose if you are using the password before the email and you are using the dot, remove this dot. So as you can see, it's showing you the 10 or the email. Let's suppose if you have this one and you are defining the email after dot 10. That means you are saying you have the this variables and you are using the dot. So you never do this. You have to store the 10 in your variables and then you can also concatenate with your values. Okay guys, so in this way you can use the concatenations concepts. Make sure why I break my course in multiple parts or the multiple videos, because if I define each and everything in a single course, many persons may have the difficulties to learn the basics things. So that's why we always break our content or the videos in a small chunks or a small video so you guys can easily understand. So thank you for watching.